Thank you for reaching out to us for help designing your dream space. Today, we'll be showing you how to convert a base cabinet with 3 drawers into a microwave base cabinet. Here's what you'll need. A 3-drawer base cabinet from your style of choice. A 3-inch wide finished filler piece. A 3/4 inch thick finished panel or plywood. A tape measure. A jigsaw for making precise cuts. Screws or brackets. Wood glue. And clamps, which are optional. Most of our drawer base cabinets are easily converted to this purpose. We recommend using a 3-drawer base that's at least 24 inches wide. When you're selecting the size for your layout, remember to take into consideration any clearance needed for ventilation. Note, you'll need a licensed electrician to install an outlet inside the cabinet box to power the microwave from inside. Once you have your 3-drawer base and other materials ready, let's get started. We'll begin with assembling the cabinet's box. If you chose a frameless style, you can skip this next step. Carefully use your jigsaw to trim off the top horizontal style where the first drawer box would sit. Pro tip: this is easiest to do before installing the face frame. Once you've trimmed that style, attach the face frame to the cabinet's box. If you're working on a frameless cabinet, you'll continue at this next step. Slide the bottom drawer into place. Make sure that the glides are perfectly level and adjusted before this next step. We'll focus on the support material. We recommend using material that's at least 3/4 inches thick, like a finished shelf or a dishwasher panel, but any plywood or other sturdy material will do. Remember that this will hold your microwave, so let's make sure you choose something with the proper quality that can hold the weight. Measure the inside of the drawer base to determine the dimensions for your support material and use the jigsaw to cut it down to size. It's a good practice to measure twice and cut once. Secure the shelf in place using screws or brackets. Then, trim your 3-inch filler pieces to create horizontal and vertical stiles to create a frame for the microwave. When installing these stiles, place a thin line of wood glue along the edges. Use clamps to hold the stiles in place while the glue cures. Lastly, install the microwave. We recommend having a helper assist you with lowering the microwave into the base carefully. Time to stand back and admire your work.